Hi, I'm Brian Cosner from Mineral Classics, and I'm here to talk to you today about this beautiful wire silver specimen from the Hongda mine in China. Most people are familiar with gold and silver and copper, native elements like that, but most people don't realize that a lot of these minerals are found as crystallized specimens in the ground. Wires are the most common form for silver typically in nature. It's rare in gold and copper, but you will find wire silvers all over the place, whether it's historic localities like Freiburg in Germany or more modern localities like the Hongda mine in China. This particular style of growth is caused by the fact that these wires form out of a mineral called acanthite, which is a silver sulfosalt. And when it's heated, the wires actually sprout out of the acanthite. The silver inside causes them to grow. And if you look at this piece up close, you can see that there's a tiny bit of the remaining acanthite underneath the bottom of the specimen. These wires are beautiful and aesthetic, and while they're delicate, they're still sturdy. And you can see even as I shake the piece, they're not getting ready to fall off or anything. It is the classic example of silver worldwide. Doesn't matter if it's Europe, Asia, South America, even Morocco. Pieces like this exist all over the world. So here we have a gem quality aquamarine crystal from the famous Jaquedo mine in the northern state of Bahia, Brazil. This locality for decades produced some of the finest, transparent, richest colored aquamarine crystals from any locality in the world. The unique forms are hydrothermally etched on the outside, and you can see the graceful etching along with the beautiful, subtle crystal faces. The color, the size, the quality, and obviously that beautiful internal gemminess makes these some of the most desirable aquamarine crystals from anywhere in the world.